Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make rice yeast updated. Start by rinsing 2 cups of rice until water runs clear, then cook and cool to about 35 degrees C before adding starter. Use a sanitized jar and keep the ferment between 28-32 degrees C for 3 to 5 days, stirring once daily and checking aroma. Label jars with the start date and refrigerate when activity meets your preference. Gather simple ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and safe. Use 2 cups of rice and filtered water, plus a small starter or commercial yeast if desired. A reliable thermometer and clean glass jar with a breathable cover will help maintain the 28-32 degrees C window. Keep everything sanitized, label the jar with the start date, and prepare a warm spot for steady fermentation. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting multiple kitchen timers and playing gentle music while fermentation happens, and it fits neatly on any countertop. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for listening, and now let's get back to the video. Control and observation make the difference between success and disappointment. Stir your rice culture gently once per day to keep activity even and prevent separation. Look for a pleasant yeasty aroma, slight bubbling, and subtle change in flavor as signs it is progressing. Taste cautiously after a few days and refrigerate when the activity matches your preference. If off smells appear, discard and sanitize equipment before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.